Giving a great welcome to this celebration. Now I call upon Meghna of grade 10 to speak about Jesus. Good afternoon everyone, myself Meghna Marigutti of grade 10. I am here to speak few words on Jesus Christ. To remember the birth of Jesus Christ, Christmas is celebrated. The name Christmas comes from the Mass of Christ. Christmas is celebrated as one of the biggest festivals which is observed all over the world. The birth of Jesus Christ marks the utmost importance for Christmas as they believe that God has sent His Son on earth as a sacrifice to redeem the people of the world from their sins. Jesus, also known as Jesus Christ, was a Jewish teacher and reformer of religion who has become the main and central figure of Christianity. Jesus Christ was born in 4th BC. He was born to Mary and Joseph. Most historians agree that he was a Jew from a place called Judea in a town called London. They also agree that he was taught off as a teacher and a ruler, that he was baptized by John the Baptist. Jesus taught mostly love and forgiveness for others as well as being humble about one's religion. He talked many times about kingdom of God and told others the kingdom of God has come near. He said that one must be mild like a child and never boast. He taught that people who ignore God and other people do not deserve His blessing, but God would still forgive them if they repented. Jesus opposed the other Jewish priests because they used religion to boast. Jesus was put on trial and convicted to death by the Jewish leaders, then sent to his execution on a cross by Roman authorities. There are stories about the life of Jesus by different writers. The best known are the 4 Christian books called the Gospels. The Gospel means good news. Some Hindus consider Jesus to be an avatar or a sadhu, but Buddhists, including Tenzin Gyatso, regard Jesus as a Buddhivasta who dedicated his life to the welfare of the people. Jesus is a God has been argued about for a long time. Most Christians, including those from Catholic, Orthodox and Protestants, believe that Jesus was both God and a man. Thank you. Thank you, Meghna, for your wonderful words. Now I call upon Parth Shah of grade 6 deliver his speech on Christmas.
Hello everyone. I am going to talk about Christmas. Christmas is the most important festival of the Christians. It is celebrated on the birthday of Jesus Christ. It starts from 24 December and ends at 1st January. People clean and decorate their houses. They set up Christmas trees. They spread cotton on its leaves to look like snow. They hang candles and toy bells and presents. December 24 is the Christmas Eve. People go to church at the midnight for the Christmas Mass. Children go to bed and hang their stockings at the bottom of the bed. They believe that Santa Claus comes and fills their stockings with lovely presents. Christmas is the time for feasting, rejoicing, and spreading goodwill. On the New Year Day, people greet and wish one another a very happy New Year. They give gifts to their near and dear ones. They send greeting cards to those who are far from them. The New Year Day brings new hopes to everyone. Some make New Year resolutions and try to live like it. So I wish you a very happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, Pat, for your wonderful speech. Christmas was always as long as we stand heart to heart and hand in hand. Now I request Principal Ma'am and all teachers to cut the cake.
Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some piggy puddings, so bring us some piggy puddings, so bring us some piggy puddings and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go till we get some, we won't go till we get some, we won't go till we get some, so bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all like a figgy puddings, we all like a figgy puddings, we all like a figgy puddings and all its good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over since we go, laughing all the way. What welcome hope and rain, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing the sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bell, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open
Sing.
Hey,
Sing.
jingle bell, all the way.
Sing.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is wide.
Kaya yan si Edu.